Hello everybody. Today I'm going to repair Tesla Model S. Front-end rebuilding. So, the car is in my workshop. Owner replaced tote, put up the radiator support and the bumper. The rest of the replacement parts are in the cabin. And all this is not in perfect condition. Okay, drive the car into the garage and I'm going to repair. Taking off the bumper and radiator support. Doing pre-measurements. After measuring it, I realized the rails need to be put back in place. I install the car on the frame machine and disassemble. I'm only removing things that's gonna get in the way of my repairs. So, the car dismantled. Now you have to put the right rail in the place. For this I unscrewed the front ones and medium subframe bolts. Gonna try. Aluminum will not easily fall into place. Pull and measure the distance between the bumper beam mounts. Distance I learned by good bumper beam, which I was brought to replace. Now measuring diagonals. They should be the same, with the correct rail spacing. Pulling, measuring, pulling, measuring, until the distances are just right.
But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show.
some more and the rails are in place. This took way too long, since it's aluminum. Now you can change the subframe. It's time to repair the top of the rail. For this repair I took a small piece from a big donor piece. Pulling out first.
Ну да, десятки. Сейчас я покажу тебе. Да. Removing the damaged piece. Now can set a good piece. But before I install the radiator support, I'll mount the piece with the radiator support mounted. Before welding works, be sure to measure distances of each side, and diagonals should be the same. Inside installed a slight reinforcement.
Welding work's finished. Now I'm gonna paint this place. And then start installing front-end parts. Metal work finished. Car leaving to paint shop. After a while the car came back from painting. Assembling it. Repairing this Tesla is complete. That's all for this day. Subscribe to see more videos. See you soon.